G'day you mob, Pete here from Aussie English. I am your host and today it is another episode of Aussie Slang where I teach you words, expressions, phrases that are common in Australian English, right? That are very unique in Australian English. The whole point of these episodes is to help you learn some more slang, understand some more slang, but most importantly, sound more Australian when speaking Australian English, okay? I really want to help you find those words and phrases that you can use on a daily basis with other Aussies that are really going to help you fit in and hopefully put a smile on the face of other Aussies when they hear you say these phrases. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you the expression all smiles. To be all smiles. Now, last time we went over the expression all ears, right? So this is similar. All ears. Remember, that means to listen attentively, and you can probably click up here, one of these corners on the YouTube video to watch the last one. If you're listening to the podcast, you'll just have to click on the last Aussie Slang episode, all ears. But all smiles, you can imagine if you are all smiles, you are smiling a lot, right? So that means you are very happy. You're very, very happy. You are all smiles. So how would I use this in day-to-day language? Maybe I go out with some mates and one of them, for whatever reason, is over the moon, right? He is really, really happy. He's smiling constantly. I might say to him, Richard, you're all smiles today. What's with that? Why are you so happy? It's not a negative thing, but I'm curious. Why are you all smiles? Maybe if you've got a mate who is always just really happy in general, right? He's got a really happy personality. You might just say that this girl or this guy is just always all smiles. He's really cheerful. He's really happy. He's all smiles. So that's it for today, guys. My challenge to you is if you are watching this video on the Aussie English YouTube channel to comment below and try and use the expression all smiles. Maybe tell me, when was the last time that you guys were all smiles? When was the last time that you were really happy? Make sure to check out all the other episodes in this series. I will link above the playlist so that you can watch all of the other Aussie Slang episodes. Check out these episodes on the podcast, the Aussie English podcast, free via any good podcast application, or you can download my free Aussie English application, both on Android and iPhone. Just search Aussie English Podcast. And besides that, for everything else Australian English, go to aussieenglish.com.au. I'm your host, Pete. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.